Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on statistics. You are seeing my videos first time, then do subscribe. Let's go to the topic. In this tutorial, I am going to explain Introduction to Statistical Quality Control. Introduction to Statistical Quality Control. This paper mainly contains BSc, okay, BSc Statistics, then in MSc Statistics also. It is mainly in applied statistics. It is applied statistics applied statistics. Okay, now we can see what are the main applications of statistical quality control and what are the different definitions of statistical control and why we need statistical control, all things. Also, before going to the statistical quality control, first we need to know what are the terms in statistical quality control. Here first term is statistical and quality and control. Statistical means we all know that statistics means collection of information. After collecting information, we need to make classification and inference. All things also comes under statistical. Quality. Quality means how much quality you are getting from the different information. All things also. Control means it will be control either it will be going to accept or reject. It will comes under the statistical way or all things also we can discuss in this tutorial. So first we can see what is the meaning of quality and quality improvement. Statistical quality control have a lot of applications. Total Six Sigma limits. We all know the Six Sigma. Six Sigma is one course is there. Total Six Sigma based on SQC. Okay. Total Six Sigma based on XQC. Now we can see what is the formal meaning and what is the definition of quality. First we can see quality, where we define quality in many ways. Yes, quality can be defined different ways, because I am saying that my quality is 50% exact, 60% exact, different ways. Most people have conceptual understanding of quality as relating to one or more desirable characteristics that a produce or service should be possessed. Okay, although this conceptual understanding is certainly useful starting point, we will use more precious and useful definition. This is the most useful and exact definition of statistical quality control. See what is the quality. Quality has become one of the most important consumer decision factor in the selection among the competing product and service. See what is quality means in statistical quality control everywhere, consumer producer as well. Consumer and producer. Okay, consumer and producer. Here only we deal with consumer risk and producer risk. Okay, consumer risk and producer risk. Okay, consumer risk and producer risk. If he, consumer can accept bad lot, then it will go, he is going to the loss. Is going to the loss. That time how statistical quality will work means we can see quality has become one of the most important consumer decision. Yeah, it is a consumer decision factor, or it will be main related to the producer also. Okay. The phenomena is widespread regardless of whether the consumer is an individual, individual organization, or a retail store, or a bank, financial institution, or a military defense organism. See, either consumer will be based on either individual or business person, or we are doing business by group, either they are doing from bank, financial situations, different are there. Consequently, understanding and improving quality are key factors for leading the business success. Yeah, in business, first we need what is our motive. After motive, what is the main motive of business is earning profit. Okay, we spend less money, get more money. That is the main motive of business person. Okay, is okay. There is a sub-channel return on investment from improved quality and from successfully employing quality as an integral part of overall business strategy. In this section, we provide operational definition and quality and improvement control. All things also we can discuss. See, now what you understand from this slide means quality means how much, mainly it's based on decision making, either going to accept or reject, or it will be totally depend upon consumer risk and producer risk. Okay, if consumer can reject good lot, then producer will be going to loss. If consumer can accept bad lot, it will be going to the producer. Consumer risk, these all things also are there. We can discuss each and every topic. Okay, now we can see what are the dimensions of quality. There are mainly 8 dimensions are there for quality. If you understand these 8 dimensions, then you can know why I am studying statistical quality control. The quality of a product can be described and evaluated in several ways. It is often very important and differentiate these different dimensions of quality. Okay, we summarize these key points into 8. Okay, mainly 8 dimensions ourselves. We can see what is performance. What is the performance? Okay, this is important. First performance, then reliability. Performance means will the product do interested to job. For example, you can take anything. Okay, what is the performance of the taking that example? Okay, if I take simple example, let us the college. Okay, college management. Okay, college management, I am taking simple example related to the colleges. What is the main motive of colleges? What is the performance means if they give better result. Okay, better result, then more people are going to join that college and it will be going to be popular. That is what is the performance. If performance is not good in colleges, then no one can going to the join the classes. It will be going to the last, total things going to the last. It will be simple example. Statistical quality control mainly deal with industries and businesses. Industry and business, it is mainly related to the commerce also. We can say generally commerce is combination of industry and business. Okay, perform after performance, important point is reliability and durability. Reliability means how many days the product will work. For example, you can take any one product also. For example, I am taking temper ball as a my product. Temper ball, we all know that it is an one more cricket ball. Temper ball. Okay, temper ball, how many days? For example, my temper ball reliability is I will, if he can play daily cricket, it will be oh, 60 60 to 100 shots. Okay, if I can hit 60 to 100 hits, hardly then that ball going to the finish or vanish. Okay, what is reliability says means consistency. If ball can all temper balls coming to the consistency between 60 to 100, then we can say that it is best product. Otherwise, if one temper ball coming, then only 10 shots, when he can hit 10 hits, then ball going to the damage, it will be not reliability. Durability means how long does the product last. How long product does the product last means here this is also mind related to the reliability and durability are similar words. Okay, now one more important word is serviceability. Serviceability, how, for example, I can buy, I will buy one car. Okay, what is the serviceability means how many days car will work without any repairs. Okay, without any repairs. For example, my car will work 5 years. It is my one fixed period for from companies. Okay, if that car comes and repair in within 1 year, then it is not exact product, we can say. Okay, that is serviceability is also important. After that, aesthetics, this is important word. Okay, what does the product look like means if product looking very beautiful, then we everyone can buy also all things also. If product is not going to the very impressive way, then no one can buy. Next is features. What are the features of that product also, we can say that missions different ways. After pre-received quality means what is the reputation of the company or product means goodwill, then it will say that it is one goodwill. Okay, conformance to standards means that product will be suitable for our ingredient, our needs, all things. We can say that it is the conformance of standards. Okay, these 8 are the dimensions of quality. Statistical quality control totally works on these 8 dimensions. Okay, now we can see formal definitions of statistical quality control. This is the traditional definition of statistical control. Traditional, we can discuss traditional and modern definitions of statistical quality control. See, quality means fitness for you. This is the definition of quality. Quality means Fitness, how long fitness is there for that product, it will be comes under the quality. Okay, there are two general aspects of fitness for use: quality of design and quality of conformance. Quality of design, how quality will be made, and quality of conformance. Okay, all goods and services are produced in various grades or levels of quality. Yes, if you take any product, it will be combination of some raw material, then it will come to the final product. Okay, these variations in grades or levels of quality are intentional, and consequently the appropriate technical term is quality of design. Okay, this what this line says: if you take any one product, then you can, for example, you can take any one product, like you can take mobile. Okay, you can take your smart mobile. In smart mobile, we need different categories. It will be battery, it will be sim slots. Okay, it will be sensor, all different parts. When we can combine all things, if any one part will be damaged, then totally going to the damage, like this. Okay, for examples, all automobiles have their basic objective providing for safe transportation for the consumers. However, automobiles differs with respect to size and appointment, appearance, and performance. These differences are the results of intentional design difference among these type of automobiles. These designs difference include the type of material used in construction specific. So these all things comes under the one example of quality means fitness for use. How fit is there for quality? Okay, this is the traditional definition of statistical quality control. Now we can see modern definition of statistical quality control. This is the modern definition. Okay, this is new. We can say that it is quality is inversely proportional to the variability. Okay, variability means what? Variability means standard deviation or variance. We can say in statistically means, what is the variability means? Dispersion. Okay, dispersion. It has less varying, then we can say the best quality. If it has lot of variabilities there, then we can say that it is lot, means bad product, or different categories. Note that this is definition implies that if variability in the important characteristics of the product decreases, the quality of the product increases. Okay, this is the formal definition of variability. The characteristics of product decreases, the quality of product increases. This is okay. Now we can see one simple example related to the modern definition. As an example of operational effectiveness of this definition, a few years ago, one of the automobile companies in the United States performed a comparative study of a transmission that was manufactured in a domestic plant by a Japanese supplier. An analyst of warranty claim and repairs indicated that there was a striking difference between two sources of productions. Okay, there are mainly two. There is, I will from, you can see these examples, so you can easily understand. Some products are there, they are from United States also preparing, Japanese also preparing. Warranty cost, this, see, this is the warranty cost for United States, this is the warranty cost for Japanese. Why United States are giving more warranty period and Japanese are giving less warranty period? Means which product is best product, we can say which product is best product means United States. Okay, they know it will be, product will be fitness for use. Fitness for use are means it has less variable. When you can take the Japanese product, it is going to the less years warranty. Okay, less year warranty. This is the statistical meaning by taking the skewness or schematic curve. It will go, see, unit when you can take unit, it coming to the bell shape means it is exact way, but Japanese are giving less variance, so less warranty period. Okay, now we can see one more definition related to the this Japanese products. Related to the this Japanese products, see, this is the quality improvement is the reduction of variability in process and products. Okay, when you understand this definition, we can say that what is the trick of Japanese. Okay, expansive variability in process or performance often results in waste. Okay, see, it has less warranty period means it is going to the wastage in less period. See, for example, consider the wasted money, time, and efforts that will be associated with the repair represented. This is total things. This total definition tells from this Japanese product. Okay. Now we can see what is the quality engineering terminology. Okay, quality engineering terminology in SQC there is mainly based or how quality engineer related to the engineering terminology. Engineering terminology means either physically, either sensory, either time orientation. Time orientation comes under the reliability, durability, serviceability. If you observe these things, this skill comes under the dimensions of statistical quality control. See, every product possesses a number of elements that jointly describe what the user or consumer thinks of as a quality. These parameters are often called the quality characteristics. Sometimes these are called the critical to quality. See, in either physical length, weight, voltage, viscosity, these all are quantitative measures. These all are quantitative measures. Quantitative, okay. When you conduct sensory taste and appearance, color, it will comes under qualitative. Qualitative. Here quantitative. Here we can say that it is attribute also because it is non-measurable. Okay. Time orientation, reliability, durability, serviceability. This is also comes under both either quantitative, either qualitative. Okay, because it will be measurable. If you say some fixed period from different distributions, from exponential distribution, different, then we can say that it is quantitative. Otherwise, it will going to the qualitative. Sensory is compulsory qualitative, physical is quantitative. Okay, if you take different food items products, for example, you can take pickles. In that, some pickles are very tasty, some are bad. How we can say that it will become under consumer reviews only? We cannot say directly it will be very state all things. Also it will come under qualitative. These are the engineering terminologies of statistical quality control. Now we can see what are the statistical methods, how statistical methods apply for uncontrolled. Means mainly we have three parts. One is statistical process control. Number two is acceptance sampling. Okay. Number three is design of experiment. Design of these three are combination of statistical methods. See, when you can observe this example, this diagram, you can easily say that how how much statistical process is different upon statistics. Okay, input raw material component under information, this is comes under the process. Okay, when the process is going, see, this is controllable units, these are the uncontrollable inputs. Okay, when you give this inputs, our process going to the best characteristic. After this there are one more. See, measurements of evaluating and monitoring control means either output or product. See, after measurements again we are going to the controllable inputs. When you can give uncontrollable units, it will be going to the values also. Okay, this is the formal. You can understand this, you can easily say this is the time, these are the sample averages, these are control limits, these are upper control limit, this is my lower control limit. When all sample values fell in this region, then we are going to the accept, otherwise we are going to the reject. This is the statistical process control. Now we can see what is design of experiment means. We can generally we can use in design of experiment, we can use either CRD, either RBD, either LSD, Latin square design, or it will be based on factors, two-factor analysis, and all things also comes under design of experiment. We can see each and everything. See, there are only two factors are there, X1 and X2. Here we can see three factors, X1 and X2, X3. These are the main three factors. Okay. Okay. Now we can see acceptance sampling. Sampling is important task because, okay, you can, by seeing diagram you can also understand what is acceptance sampling. Process inspection, then customer, sorry, process inspection customer means how inspection is going, that is important. Inspection is important. Okay, after prepare the product, inspection either going to the accept, either going to the reject, that is important. Okay, you can discuss total things each by unit wise. Okay, this is the phase diagram of the use of quality engineering method. We have first acceptance sampling, then process control, then design of experiment. Okay. There are mainly some management aspects there for quality improvement. There these three are the management aspects of quality improvement. They are quality planning, quality assurance, quality control and improvement. Here see what is quality planning means: predefined plan how our product will become and otherwise our mission going to. This is totally thinking forecasting. After forecasting, quality assurance means we can say that reliability, how much goodwill, all things are come under the assurance. After assurance, quality control and improvement by applying different methods also. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries up to now, you can comment me. From the next video onwards, we are going to the Six Sigma limits and all things also we can discuss. Thank you for watching.